I finally have it. It's mochi ice cream. Okay, it's creamy strawberry. Like, I literally got this. So, like, I kind of went to Pennsylvania. And I was like, oh my god, a Japanese convenience store in Pennsylvania. Holy shoot. I was like, no way. And I was like, ah! I started screaming. So, like, bro, get off. There's my dog, sorry. And it's strawberry puree. I'm gonna open it up. Hope it's as good as the. I already tried the chocolate one. I also got that from Pennsylvania. So they were good. They were busting actually. It seems like they're not even ready, but like this is how they look like. Okay, I'm gonna open it up. My dog is being really annoying. Okay. Got my chopsticks. Yeah, they're really smushy. Tender usually are. Okay, guys, the mochi just fell apart. But it is really good. I love it. I'm only eating one because, like, I don't know what time it is. But, like, I'm about to go to sleep. Oh my god, it's so good. These are super good. You know what? I got 2 packs. I always got my favorite one, chocolate. I still got that one. But like I eat a mochi every single day. So like I'm probably gonna run out really fast. But like I want my bestie Emily to like come because like I kind of miss her. I want her to come. Okay, so I kind of mixed it. It looks like natto now. Why does it kind of look like natto when I'm mixing it? And when I pull it up, oh my god, it's like a sticky texture. Cause look, like natto's like a Japanese food, like a little like beans that's like really sticky. I ate it before. I love it. Now we're just gonna. See, look at that. Okay, that's what happens. Maybe instead of putting them in the fridge, I should have put it in the frozen area. Maybe I should have frozen them. But if they get too frozen, I'll just like put it out for a little bit until like they get, but not like this smushy. They're super smushy. So weird. Damn. I kind of want to flip my camera, but I'm like too lazy. This is good. This is good stuff, actually. Guys, I should definitely get more. I have a 7-Eleven next door. They have mochis now. I kind of got the last one, but they say they don't sell it anymore because I kind of got the last one. So they like sold it to Pennsylvania. Okay, I'm finishing it. Ooh. I love this. This is delicious. You know, I went to carnival. I love mochis. I've been eating mochi since I was like 3. I had an Oreo mochi before, and I was like, there was Oreos inside of it. I was like, I don't think they would make that in Japan. And they had like a little, my cousin, she got like a cinnamon roll. Where did you get that from? That over there. I had like my Oreo one, but I ate it. I took a bite, and then I went, where is the other mochi area in the carnival? And she was like, it's over there. And I got a Hello Kitty one. I love Hello Kitty. She's super cute. I have a poster of her, and I have a lot of plushies of it. Now, the last piece of ice cream. We're done. Okay, that was delish, actually. So this is all I ate. So now we only have 5 left. My doggy. He really wanted mochi, but he can't eat that. I'll get you dog mochis. I'll make him some with some kid friendly. Because like I'll make you a chicken mochi. How about that? A chicken with beef mochi. Let's put it in the box. And now I'm done. Bye.